Hi guys, let me quickly show you how to make your deposit inside the app. So you have to click here on CFD to check your safety balance, but because the app uses options, we have to click on options. So you can see I have 00 right there, meaning I do not have any money. So what I have to do is to transfer from my wallet to options. So the minimum safe deposit will be $100. You can still go lower, but I think $100 is much more safer. So I'm going to transfer from wallet to options, $100. So yes, now I can go to the app. So by default, the app is on demo mode. That is why you see updates is demo. So I have to switch to a real account, which is down there. You have to accept the risks, right? Then wait for it to switch, and you can see up there our $100 is actually reflecting, meaning now we can start trading with a real account. So what I'm going to target here, I'm just going to target $10 a day, and let me actually show you how to actually use the app nicely. The app is configured well. It won't go beyond the $100 that you set. So this is the app now trading. So you can see there our balance is decreasing because we are currently in a loss. But how we have worked on this app is that it will lose and recover. It will lose and recover. So, but you need to be very patient in order to actually make or rather reach your targets. So, patience is key right here. So, if you're looking for shortcuts, unfortunately, this app won't be able to assist when it comes to shortcuts. So, no hype, no shortcuts, no okay, we've made 1.58. So what we're going to do is to trade again. So there's no hype. Even if you make money, there's no need to shout hype and so just wait for the app to do its thing and also understand risk management. So there's a lot of configurations that you can do. There's a lot of bots that you can select from. But one thing for sure, if you set your stop loss very tight, the app will not pass your stop loss. Unlike inside Deriv, where Deriv can actually lose more than what you've set, this one cannot actually go beyond what you have set. So you need to be very patient. If you've tried different bots and try this one on demo first, see how it works. So we've made $10, meaning we've reached our daily target right there. So I know there's someone who's going to be very greedy out there. They're probably thinking, if I've made $10 quickly, let me just go and start the app all over again. Maybe I'll make more. So you can see right there, there's our profit protection and stop loss protection. So the recommended balance is about $100. So we're targeting just small, $5, but you can increase or decrease to $3 if your account is small. Let's just do that. Yeah, that's because you are starting to be greedy. So the app just stopped, but we made. Okay, so let's just start again. It probably detected some manipulations coming from the broker. That is how the app is configured. So now that we've reached our target, but we're forcing to go again, we might actually get in a very, 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 very creepy situation where now the app starts losing all the profits that we've accumulated so far, or it starts making small profits before we can actually make money. So, but the key element is for the app to be able to survive when it is losing. It is not to blow, but to actually survive. But you need to be very, very patient. If you're not patient, don't even attempt to download the app. The link for the app for those who are patient will be down in the description and the pinned comment. So if you're not patient, please don't try to download the app. Do not even attempt to use the app. You need to be patient. It's not a get rich quick scheme. You wait for the bot to make losses, you make for the bot to recover. So the recovery is not aggressive. Because if you are aggressive, this is where you are going to lose a lot of money. So that's why I'm preaching patience, patience. These losses, if it continues losing, they might magnify. But what I like is that when it recovers, it doesn't do aggressive recovery. It is a very nice slow recovery. So they say the broker always wins. So, but we are saying that we at the end will always win as long as we are patient. So the reason why a lot of people are not winning is because they want a robot that is very quick to make money, which is going to be very quick to lose money at the same time. So if your account is small, like $100, like the one we're trading now, be extra patient. Even if you had $1,000, be extra patient. You can be able to take $5 to $10 a day. You are sorted. There's no need to wanna double your account. So what you need to do again? Patience. No rush. No hype. So you can see our -7. Remember, I started with 100, so we are still having our money is still protected. We still have our $100 that we started with, the one that we deposited. So let's go. So maybe if we can be able to get back to a positive, we can then stop the app. If we can get back to $110, we can stop the app, because either way we had already reached our target. So this is why I said you do not need to be greedy, because you can make money now and then you think, let me go back and run it again. Then you find that now you lose the money that you made plus the money that you deposited. So as soon as you hit your target, close the app. Close the app. Because the broker is very smart. They know that you're going to come back once you make money. You're going to come back over and over again. That is not what we want. As soon as you make money, close the app. So you can see now we have lost all the profit that we had made. We recovered. Okay, again, lost. You can see our a big negative right there. Now we're getting there. But it's engineered to actually recover. So we will most likely recover quick. There's a recovery, our $100. We are back below 100. I think we're going to recover soon. So we just need to be a bit patient, wait for it to trade a bit more. And yeah, the losses are piling up back to 100, which is what we deposited. So this is what we meant by it should not aggressively recover. If it loses aggressively, it should be able to recover nicely. But you need to be very patient, because the goal is to make money. It's not to hype you. That is the whole goal. So if you can see it, let it do its thing. If it stops, reaches your target, your daily target, then you're out. Because you see now we are losing more. So or -18, -23. But I have faith in the app. Our engineers have done a great job. So yeah, the goal is to go back, recover. Once we get above, let's say we get back to what we had when we ran the app for the second time, like 110, then we are going to close. We are recovering again. We are recovering again. We wait. So that is exactly what you want to do. Recovering is very important. So back down. Oh, we're okay. We're back. We've recovered. So we might just stop now. Let's just tap stop, because we've recovered. Okay, 112 or 112. Sorry, and that's it. See you in the next video. I hope you're not going to do weird things. There's a bunch of other strategies that you can actually, or robots that you can select and test on demo. Do not forget to test on demo first. Some of these strategies are very aggressive, and yeah, just test on demo and see what works.